Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to change code on Schlage BE489WB. Full keypad reset guide. Method 1. Change the user code. Step 1. Wake up the keypad by pressing the Schlage button. Step 2. Now enter your 6-digit programming code. Step 3. Then press 1 to add a new user code. Step 4. Then enter your new 4 to 8 digit code. Step 5. Enter the same new code again. Step 6. Now wait for the confirmation lights or beeps. Step 7. Test the new code by locking and unlocking the door. Method 2. Delete the old code. Step 1. Press the stage button. Step 2. Enter the 6-digit programming code. Step 3. Now press 2. Step 4. Then enter the old user code. Step 5. Then enter the old user code again. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.